Hey everyone, today I'm extremely excited to unbox the highly anticipated PlayStation 5 Slim console. Now this one happens to be the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 bundle. We're gonna go ahead and open this up, take a closer look. Now of course if you are interested in this console, I will have it linked below in the description so you can pick one up for yourself or find more information. But let's go ahead and dive right into the new Slim PlayStation 5. So here it is, the smaller Sony PlayStation 5 Slim console. It can do up to 8K, 4K 120. It's got HDR. And again, this is the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 bundle. It is a voucher. It isn't a disc. Even though this is a disc console, it is a voucher that you do need to download from the PlayStation Store. And you do need an internet connection and PlayStation Plus if you do want to play the online multiplayer. The console, the new smaller console, again with the disk drive slot on it and the controller. On the side here, what is included? Of course, you've got the console, you've got the disk drive, the DualSense Wireless Controller, 2 horizontal stand feet, HDMI cable, power cable, USB cable, the printed materials, Astro's Playroom is pre-installed, and of course the Call of Duty voucher as well. On the other side, I just want to point out that the drive on this PlayStation is 1 terabyte in size. On the back here, play like never before, lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, stunning games. Let's go ahead and open this up. So in the box there, we've got our quick start guides. We've got our Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 download code, which is on the back there. We've got several cables here. So there's the power cable, your standard plug on the one end, that plugs into the console. We've got an HDMI cable. And we've got a USB-C cable, so that's USB-C on both ends. We've also got our little feet here. These are little plastic feet if you want to have your console horizontal on your desk or your entertainment center. We've got our DualSense Wireless Controller here in the kind of standard white color. That's what it looks like there. Really comfortable in your hands. It's rechargeable. Really nice. Now if I compare this to the Xbox Series S or X controller, similar in size, a little bit bigger I'd say. If I put that in front, you can see it's a little bit bigger. Nice feeling to this, very comfortable, shaped well for your hands. I've always really liked the PlayStation controllers. And of course the console. It's really wrapped up here well. So there it is there. Really nice looking console. More of a matte finish on the bottom and then really shiny here at the top. So kind of a two-tone white. We'll pull off these tabs here. On the top, the PlayStation logo, and it's actually kind of indented there into the plastic, so that looks really cool. On the back here, lots of venting it looks like. You've got your HDMI connection, a LAN connection for wired internet, and 2 USB type A ports, and your power connection there. On the back, small little PlayStation logo down there. And then on the front, power button right there, 2 USB type C ports, and then your disk drive here as well, which is removable by the way. Really handy. And these horizontal feet go right in the kind of crack there. There's some holes in there. We'll put those in. If you want to have it horizontal on your entertainment center, they just go in like that, so they give support for the console when you put it down on your table. I really like the modern and futuristic look with all the curves on this console. Now this PS5 is definitely a fair bit smaller than the original PlayStation 5. And if you want to compare it to an Xbox, for example, this is the Xbox Series S 1 terabyte. And you can see the length here on it is significantly shorter. And the height on it is a fair bit shorter as well. And even the kind of depth is probably a good 2 or 3 inches in difference. So there's a big difference in size on this smaller Xbox Series S. Of course, that one does not have a drive in it. So I've gone ahead and set up the PS5 here, and I'll give you a quick tour of the user interface. So at the top here, you've got your games area. You've got a media area, and we'll cover that in just a moment. And of course, your settings are up here at the top right-hand corner as well. Now here at the top under games, you can go down, and this is where you would sign up for things like PlayStation Plus if you want to have a monthly gaming subscription or play online. They've got the PlayStation Store here where you can purchase games or redeem codes. For example, I've got the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 bundle, so I would put in my code here to download that game. There's also different games you can purchase in here. There's free games, for example, Fortnite, or demos as well in this area that you can download. You've got the Share Factory, you've got the Remote Play area, there's the Media Gallery for photos or video clips, and of course games that you have. So again, this came pre-installed with Astro's Playroom, and all of your other games, once they're installed, will show up in this area here as well. Now heading back to the top here, if you go over to Media, this is where you'll find all of your streaming services. So for example, Disney Plus, Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV, there's YouTube, Twitch, etc. And you can add other apps that are available in here as well. If there's other things, maybe you want MLB or NBA, etc. That is all in here as well. And then, of course, back out here at the top, you can go into your settings here if you want to adjust those as well. So really cool console. I think it is a great option if you're looking for, of course, a gaming device, but not only that, if you're looking for a media center for watching Disney Plus, Netflix, YouTube, etc. It's a great option for your home entertainment needs and system. So hope you enjoyed taking a closer look at the new PlayStation 5 Slim Call of Duty bundle. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy gaming.